Did you know a kitchen remodel can give you up to 81% return on investment when it's time to sell your home? That's right. According to Remodeling Magazine's Cost versus Value report, a well-designed kitchen renovation not only boosts your home's function and beauty, it can actually pay you back. Why is the kitchen so important? It's the heart of the home, where meals are made, conversations happen, and memories are shared. And for buyers, it's often the space that makes or breaks the deal. So if you're thinking about upgrading your kitchen, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 5 timeless kitchen design trends that not only stand the test of time, they also add serious value to your home. Let's get started. Trend number 1, the open concept kitchen. Open concept kitchens have been popular for years, and they're not going anywhere. Why? Because they create a sense of flow. Walls come down, and the kitchen connects with the dining and living areas, making the space feel larger and more welcoming. Picture this. You're preparing dinner while chatting with family in the living room or entertaining guests without feeling cut off. It's social, modern, and ideal for today's lifestyle. Buyers love this layout, especially younger families. So if you're opening up your kitchen, you're not just upgrading your lifestyle, you're increasing your kitchen renovation value too. Have you considered removing a non-load-bearing wall to open things up? Next up, smart kitchen lighting solutions. Lighting can transform the look and feel of your kitchen, and it's often overlooked. A well-lit kitchen feels clean, spacious, and functional. And the best part? You don't need to break the bank. Here's how to layer lighting for maximum impact. Ambient lighting. Think ceiling fixtures that give overall light. Task lighting. Under-cabinet lights are perfect for food prep areas. Accent lighting. Add pendant lights over the island for a stylish touch. Warm, dimmable LED bulbs are especially great for setting the mood while keeping energy costs low. Buyers notice lighting. It shows attention to detail. Want a tip? Install dimmers. They're inexpensive and instantly make the kitchen feel high-end. Do you have enough layers of lighting in your kitchen? Third trend, durable, stylish countertops. Countertops are one of the most visible surfaces in your kitchen and one of the most used, so durability and style are key. Quartz continues to lead the way. It's non-porous, scratch-resistant, and comes in a wide range of colors and patterns that mimic natural stone without the maintenance. Granite is still a favorite too, especially for homeowners who want a natural, unique look. Just remember, natural stone may need periodic sealing. Avoid trendy or high-maintenance materials that may turn off future buyers. When choosing countertops, ask yourself, will this still look good in 10 years? If the answer is yes, you're on the right track. What type of countertop do you have now? And is it adding value? Number 4, smart kitchen storage solutions. Cluttered kitchens are a big turnoff. But smart storage, that's a major selling point. Cabinets that reach the ceiling, pull-out drawers for pots and pans, built-in spice racks, hidden trash bins, these little details can make a huge difference. One popular addition? Pantry cabinets with pull-out shelving. They're perfect for small kitchens and help keep everything organized and easy to reach. Another favorite? Deep drawers under your cooktop. They're perfect for storing heavy items like skillets and mixing bowls. Even if you're not expanding your kitchen, maximizing the space you have makes it feel bigger and more functional. Have you considered upgrading your storage to better suit your daily needs? And finally, timeless cabinetry and color choices. Trends come and go, but classic cabinets in neutral colors always stay in style and attract more buyers. Shaker-style cabinets are a great example. Simple, clean, and versatile, they look good in modern, traditional, and farmhouse kitchens alike. As for colors, you can't go wrong with whites, soft grays, or warm wood tones. They brighten up the space and give buyers a clean slate to imagine their own touches. Want to add a pop of color? Try a navy or sage green island. It adds contrast without overwhelming the space. Also, soft close drawers and cabinets are no longer a luxury. They're expected. If you're upgrading cabinetry, definitely include those. Would your current cabinets appeal to today's buyers? So let's quickly recap the 5 timeless kitchen design trends that add real kitchen renovation value to your home. Open concept layouts, more space, better flow. layered lighting solutions, stylish and functional, durable countertops, beauty that lasts, smart storage, organized and efficient, timeless cabinets and colors, classic appeal for any buyer. Each of these upgrades makes your kitchen more beautiful, more functional, and most importantly, more valuable. Thinking about your own kitchen remodel? Which of these trends speaks to you the most? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home improvement tips designed for smart homeowners like you. Thanks for watching, and happy renovating.